Welcome to this in-depth review of Printshop by Designhill, a popular print-on-demand platform designed for entrepreneurs looking to streamline their dropshipping business. Printshop provides an extensive range of custom merchandise options, from apparel to accessories, all of which you can personalize with your own designs. The platform is intuitive and easy to use, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced sellers. Once you sign up, you'll find an array of tools to help you create your products. Their design interface allows you to upload artwork or create designs directly on the platform, using a range of templates and customization options. After finalizing your design, you can effortlessly add products to your online store. Printshop integrates seamlessly with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy, ensuring a smooth sales process. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Registration link, bonus for new users, and many other useful links in the description. What sets Printshop apart is its affordable pricing, which allows for competitive markups while maintaining quality. Production and shipping times are also reliable, ensuring your customers receive their orders promptly. However, some users have noted that the platform's catalog could benefit from a broader range of product categories. Customer support is responsive and helpful, addressing most queries in a timely manner. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button to support more content like this.